Just imagine you have a really small vagina. Just push hard, just push hard. She's like pushing really late and it's like coming out and then going back in. Why is she having her butt up against the back? When it comes out, it's just gonna get pushed back in. God, if this takes this long, imagine a horse. Or like an elephant. Or like a cow. Fuck. Licking your lips. Push, Kita, push, 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 push. And she like turns around, there's like a big bowl coming out of her head. Oh my god, you see it?
Poop, poop.
No, I don't
Poop.
think so. I don't think so, Jake.
Oh, that's the nail.
She's like laying an egg. Come on, Kita. Come on, baby. Oh my god. 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 Okay. Come on, Kita. Push. Push. Kita. Push. Come on, Kita. Do it. Come on, one push. Just one fucking push and look. Come on, Kita. Come on, baby. Come on. I'm getting so fucking anxious. Holy shit. My legs is like shaking. Hurry up, Kita. I feel like I'm pushing with her. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, gee, my cabeza.
Oh, no.
She totally just... What?
You see the meat? You see
What?
You saw the meat? They're so
No,
cute.
I can't see. I'm looking at her through the camera. I thought she would like get up and I'm gonna be there.
It looks like it's black with white back.
Jake, you can't tell yet. It's in a sack. Come on. Oh my gosh, you scared the shit out of me. Come on, Kia. Come on, baby. Come on, push. 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 Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought her tail was the baby. Oh my god, I thought it was the baby. Where is it? Where is it? Kia. What did you tell Jake? What did you... Oh my god. Oh my god. You saw that? You saw the tails? Oh my gosh. Oh my
You're
god.
smushing him.
She's like sitting on him. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Get it, Mom. Get it.
Come on, Kita. Come on, baby.
What do I
Yo.
do?
Her we see like the tail of
Who is
the.
that?
We see the tail. It's like sticking out, and like she's like, no. Jake, hold this up real quick. Huh? Yeah.
Hi, Kita. Right here. Right here.
What? Yeah. No? What? I don't know yet. Oh well. Well, I'll call you. I'll call you. Okay. Well, I have a really bad headache right now.
No, I'm like, really? Can't wait. What?
I have a really bad tension headache right now.
What?
Oh, she's let me have her loud.
What?
Can you see? Look at it through the camera.
No, because it's like you can't see right there.
Come on, Mama Kita. Twitter paused their bed. As soon as she pushed, you farted. Oh, I know, baby, I know. As soon as she farted, she was pushing. So it looked like she farted. I know. Oh my god, ew. Oh my gosh. Oh! Holy shit. Oh my god.
She's jogging around.
Oh my god, ew. Oh my god. I know. It was like hanging.
She's gonna eat it.
Ew.
Look, the blood. Is she eating it?
I don't know. Why is she
Eating the blood?
Why was she chasing her hair around?
Is she eating it?
Yes, Jake, she's eating it. She's not eating it, you retard. She's licking it and cleaning it.
She's fucking eating it.
Jake, she's licking it. What's wrong with you?
She's
Ow, my head hurts so bad. The first one's out. The first one's out. It was so funny. It was coming out, and she turned around, and it was like hanging out her vagina. So she started like She started swinging around and like moving, like spinning in circles, and like the baby was just dangling there. And then it fell out. Yeah, and then it fell out, and there's like blood splattered everywhere, and I don't know what she's doing to it right now. I can't see, but there's blood everywhere. Kita, what are you doing? Cause she's like Because she's in the hole right now. She had it in the hole.
Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to?
No, he left. Oh my god, I don't know what she's doing. Jake,
Is she
here, hold this real quick.
eating
I don't know.
No, stop. Don't scare her.
I don't know if I could touch her or not.
Oh, she's not eating it.
She's...
No, she's
I
not.
don't
She's
know.
licking it.
Oh my god.
She's
no.
licking. It's here
Oh
licking
my
it.
god, my head hurts so
She's doing
fucking
this.
bad. Oh, I don't know. I always get like really bad tension headaches.
Shh, shh. Stop this up. She's
Alright.
licking the tail. She's like,
Alright. Bye.
what the fuck?
Come on, Kia.
Stop. Don't touch her. She's gonna she'll go psycho on you. She's licking it. She's licking all her poop off of it.
I have to clean the nose.
What?
I have to clean the nose just in case she doesn't watch it.